Small businesses in the pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and healthcare industries can do incredibly well out of the research and development tax credit, turning all that hard work and innovation into proper tax savings. This 30% credit knocks your corporation tax bill right down, freeing up capital that you can put straight back into further research, bringing out new drugs and medical devices, or just making your manufacturing processes better. Crucially, eligible startups and pre-revenue companies can use the payable tax credit to get their hands on cash refunds. That quick cash benefit directly offsets your running costs, giving young companies that are often operating at a loss the vital liquidity they need while they're chasing down those major medical breakthroughs. For more details, contact your local Swanson Reed representative.